So dumb. I'm so fascinating. You can't see anything.
No. Oh, shit.
Wait, are you gonna shine a flashlight in her face?
No. I wish there was more light.
Oh. This is so boring.
It's not gonna be when we show it to her.
What?
It's not gonna be when we show it to her.
I have no idea what you just said.
You're stupid.
You're mumbling.
She still snores.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I just started to do it.
I have no idea what you just said again.
Yes.
She just snores. You stop me breathing again. Let's switch people. You stop me breathing there. Oh.
What the heck is that? I want you to put it.
Yeah, so ridiculous. You have an hour documentary. This is Ashley.
Ashley and snoring.
This is Ashley and I'm snoring right now.
Put some light up on her.
No. I'm not getting into this. It's been 3 minutes of nothing. Actually, more like 3 minutes and 43 seconds.
Just add up the seconds in there.
Oh my god.
She doesn't make a big one.
You're gonna leave until she does, and then you're gonna wait for another one?
Yeah.
Okay, it's almost been 4 minutes. It's been 4 minutes.
This is so...
So this is...
I wish you could talk in sleep. That'd be funny. Maybe she's gonna...
What?
A whistle.
It's her. That's the other one. Listen.
Oh.
Listen, that's how much. This is the most stupidest thing we've ever got. 2066. If you drop it. Then I'll see yelling after.
Okay.
What happened?
Your nose wiggled.
Oh my god.
I think she's lying.
I think it's all boring.
Okay, we'll stop.
What time?
Wait. We'll stop at 60.
Oh my god.
560.
560?
Yeah, it doesn't go up to 60.
No, it doesn't.
What's it go up to? 50?
59.
Oh.
And then go to 6.
Okay, we'll go up to 6.
Okay, you're really tired or something.
Who?
You.
Why?
Because you just said 560.
Well, watch. Wait, hold on.
Exactly.
I'm really stupid.
Yeah. Right now.
Okay. Watch when we start recording, she's gonna hit a big one.
It's not gonna happen.
Okay.
1,
2, 3.
Turn it off.